When I was in my 20s and finished college and got my first job, I never thought about money. I never thought about the money I was making and how much I was spending because I was young. I loved life. I go out with my, buddies and party and have beers, and we go to concerts, and I'd buy new clothes, and I'd do anything I wanted until that money ran out at the end of the month. But as I got a little older, I said to myself, well, spending all your money is probably not the best idea. A really good idea is to try to put some of that money away for the future, even though the future is far, far ahead of you. And we all procrastinate about thinking about the future because we're young and we don't think we're ever going to get old. But I have to tell you, time moves no matter what. And we are all going to get old. There's a really easy trick to think about money, and I want to give it to you. Sit down for an hour with a pen and piece of paper. Write down your income and write down all the expenses that you have every month. Your rent, your cell phone, your gas and electric, your partying, budget for entertainment. Just write it all down. And if you have money left over at the end of the month, I want you to take that money and put it away in an investment account every month. Because if you just do that, and you won't even miss the money, you won't miss that $100 or that $200 or that $75 because it's out of sight, out of mind. But I can tell you that if you put $100 away for 30 years every month, at the end of that 30 years, you probably have around $280,000. Now think about that, $280,000, and I didn't even know I was investing it because it just either came out of my paycheck or I just deposited a check into my investment account. So procrastination is one of the worst things we can do as it relates to our financial health. And I've been through all phases of procrastination. No, I don't want to think about it. No, I really don't want to do it. It's too cumbersome. It takes too much time. I have to think about it. It's scary to have to think about the future. I just want to stay where I am, young, spend the money I have. But you will have a much more wonderful and healthy life if you can just invest a little amount of money every month and put it away, because investing for your future is investing in you. It's telling you that I'm responsible, that I will have money left over if I want to retire early, or I have money left over if I want to work less, work part-time, or I'll have money left over to pay my college education for my kids. It's such an easy way to do it. And all you have to do is just take that first step. And the first step is really the hardest. Because, I remember I was on the swim team in college, and I remember being on this top 30-meter platform. And I can't tell you how scared I was to jump off of that. It took about 10 minutes to do it. But once I did it a few times, it became really easy. So think about yourself, think about taking care of yourself, think about money, and put some money away every month. And I can tell you, 100% sure, your future will be happier, financially secure, and you'll have less worries about life.